Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check what version of Windows you are using and also how to check if you are using a 32-bit or 64-bit Windows. So what you have to do first is go to Start and then go to Settings. Now from here click on System and from the left scroll down and then click on About, and in here if we scroll down a bit, under Windows specification we can see that the edition of the Windows is Windows 10 Pro and the version is 2262, and you can also find the OS build here as well. Now if we scroll up a bit, here you can see that the system type is 64-bit, so you might have a 32-bit or you might have a 64-bit. You can check it from here. And you can also check some other things from here like the memory, processor, or your device name as well. And that is how you can check which version of Windows you are using or you have on your Windows 10 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.